Hello students, today we discuss the relation between F and R for convex spherical mirror. Yes, before we have discussed the relation between F and R for concave spherical mirrors. Okay, so I have the convex spherical mirrors. Okay, now you can see that suppose an object, okay, an object lies at a large distance or infinity, then definitely you know that from the object the ray of light will travel parallel to this principal axis. You can assume the O, from the O the ray of light is incident at points A. Okay, and after that what will happen, the ray of lights will bounce, that is the AQ, according to laws of reflection. Okay, and then you know that if you will join this line with the center of curvature, then it will bisect and okay, bisect this incident ray and the reflected ray. Okay, it will act as a normal. We can put here, this is the end dash here. Okay, if you will assume this is the theta, so that will also theta. Why? Because we know that the angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflections. Okay, so I have assumed here, let OA and dash these angles equal to QA and dash because angle of incidence equal to angle of reflections. Okay, another, so one more you can see that this angle OA and dash these angles will equal to PCA equal to theta. If this will theta, so that will also theta because of corresponding angle. Okay, another one more is there, angle CAF. Okay, we can see that CAF, these angles, and another QA and dash here, QA and dash this angle, this both will equal, and you know that if this is theta, so that will also theta according to vertically opposite angle. Okay, vertically opposite angle, and A and perpendicular, this is not in the perfect shape, so we can draw here A and perpendicular PC. Can we draw? Now it will be a right angle triangle A and C, A and F. Okay, another one more thing, that if this is theta and this is theta, so here will be theta plus theta, that is the 2 theta. Why it will be? Because you know that the sum of two interior angle is equal to the exterior angle. Very good. Okay, so you can also write angles. Which one you will write? FAC, angle FAC plus angle ACF or P, ACP equal to angle AFP equal to 2 theta. By conditions, which one you will use? The sum of two interior angle is equal to exterior angle. Okay, now from right angle triangle, which one you will take? A and C. What you will write here? You can write here tan theta. Why you will take? Because this is the perpendicular and this is the base. So you can write P by B. Then here will be tan theta, that is the A and by PC. Okay. And due to a small aperture, what you will write? Tan theta equivalent theta. Yes. And PC, what you can write? PC, from right angle triangle, at the place of PC you can write here first NC. Okay, and NC equivalent PC. Why you will write? Because we know that all the distance are measured from its pole. Therefore, you can write here theta equal to AN by PC. Okay, and what is the value of PC? PC is equal to R. That means theta equal to AN by R. We can write, and this is the equation first. Similarly, also we can take the second. Okay, Similarly, from right angle triangle, which one we will take? A and F. A and F. We can write here tan 2 theta. Why? Because here is theta and this is the 2 theta. So you will take the 2 theta equal to P by B. Tan theta equal to P by B. Okay. So you will write here an by NF. Okay. NF. And same condition here will also. Okay. You will use. So you can write here tan 2 theta equivalent to theta and NF equivalent PF. Okay. So put this value here, then you will write 2 theta equal to AN by PF. Can we write? Okay, very good. And 2 you can write here downwards. Theta equal to AN by 2 PF. Okay. Now you see that we have also value PF equal to PF. Okay, PF, this one. PF equal to a small f. Or you can write here, what you will write? Theta equal to AN by 2F. And put this is the equation second. Okay, now you have two equation. One is this and second equation. Theta equal to something and here is theta equal to something. So from equation 1 and 2, what you will write? You will write here AN by R equal to AN by 2F. This AN and AN will cancel out. Then finally we write 1 by R equal to 1 by 2F. Now you can reverse this one. So R equal to 2F. Therefore F equal to R by 2. Okay. So this is the final result that we got. Okay. This is the final result with the help of these convex spherical mirrors. Okay. We got the relation focal length and radius of curvature, that is F equal to R by 2. Okay. I think that you should write this question. Okay. That's very important. Okay.